Welcome to Sam Official Tech. In today's fast-paced world, machines play an indispensable role in improving the efficiency, scalability, and quality of our work. From simple tools to advanced robotic systems, the integration of machines into everyday tasks has revolutionized industries and transformed the way we work. Machines have been at the core of progress for centuries, from the Industrial Revolution to the rise of artificial intelligence. They assist in both mundane and complex tasks, allowing workers to focus on more creative and strategic aspects of their jobs. By automating repetitive tasks, machines free up human potential for more intellectual pursuits. In manufacturing, machines have revolutionized production processes. Automation allows factories to produce goods at speeds and volumes that were previously unimaginable. Robots and conveyor belts streamline production lines, increasing efficiency, reducing errors, and improving product consistency. Machines are often more precise than humans, making them essential for tasks that require high accuracy. In fields like medicine, engineering, and electronics, machines can perform tasks like assembling microchips or conducting delicate surgeries with unmatched precision, leading to superior products and better outcomes. Farming machines, such as tractors, harvesters, and drones, have transformed agriculture. They automate tasks such as planting, watering, and harvesting, allowing farmers to manage larger areas of land efficiently. This results in higher crop yields and reduced labor costs, contributing to the growth of agricultural production. Office automation tools like data entry software, virtual assistants, and AI-powered analytics systems have enhanced efficiency in administrative tasks. Machines handle repetitive tasks like scheduling, file management, and report generation, allowing employees to focus on higher-value activities, such as decision-making and innovation. Machines in research and development, such as advanced computing systems and laboratory automation tools, enable scientists and engineers to conduct experiments and analyze data more quickly and accurately. This leads to faster innovation cycles, which fuel technological advancements and the development of new products. In logistics, machines like robots, automated warehouses, and self-driving vehicles help streamline the supply chain. Automated systems track inventory, optimize delivery routes, and reduce human error, ensuring that goods are delivered efficiently and on time, reducing costs for businesses. Machines play a crucial role in enhancing safety in hazardous work environments. Robots and drones are used in industries like mining, firefighting, and nuclear power plants to perform dangerous tasks. These machines reduce the risk to human workers and help complete jobs that would otherwise be too perilous. Medical machines, such as MRI scanners, robotic surgery tools, and diagnostic machines, have revolutionized healthcare. These devices not only improve the accuracy of diagnoses but also enable minimally invasive surgeries, quicker recovery times, and enhanced patient care. Machines, particularly in the form of computers and smartphones, have revolutionized how we communicate and collaborate. Tools like video conferencing, cloud storage, and collaborative software help teams work together across different locations, speeding up decision-making and fostering innovation. Even in creative fields like art, design, and music, machines have opened up new possibilities. Computer-aided design (CAD) software allows architects to visualize and create complex structures, while AI-generated music and art push the boundaries of creativity and inspire new forms of expression. Machines are instrumental in eliminating human error in tasks that require attention to detail. Whether it's calculating complex equations or managing large datasets, machines ensure that the work is done without mistakes, increasing accuracy and reliability in various industries like finance, engineering, and healthcare. The development of machines like laptops, tablets, and cloud-based software has facilitated the rise of remote work. Employees can now work from anywhere, access necessary tools, and communicate with colleagues seamlessly. This flexibility enhances work-life balance and opens up opportunities for global collaboration. Machines like e-commerce platforms, digital marketing tools, and automated customer service systems allow businesses to reach a global audience. These technologies enable companies to manage customer relations, process orders, and market products around the clock, driving growth and expanding their reach without the need for a large workforce. Machines take over tasks that traditionally required manual labor, such as lifting heavy objects, sorting products, or cleaning. This not only reduces the physical strain on workers but also improves workplace efficiency, as machines can work continuously without fatigue, leading to higher output. Energy-efficient machines help reduce the carbon footprint of businesses. For example, advanced HVAC systems, energy-efficient lighting, and smart grids allow companies to reduce their energy consumption. This helps organizations lower operational costs and contribute to sustainability efforts. In education, machines such as computers, interactive whiteboards, and AI-powered learning platforms have transformed the classroom experience. These tools allow students to access information, participate in virtual classes, and use educational software that caters to their individual learning needs. While machines can automate many tasks, they also create new job opportunities. The rise of automation in industries like robotics, AI, and machine learning has led to the emergence of jobs in these fields. People are now needed to design, operate, maintain, and improve these systems, leading to the creation of a skilled workforce. Machines like recycling robots, renewable energy systems, such as wind turbines and solar panels, and eco-friendly manufacturing tools contribute to environmental sustainability. By improving resource management and reducing waste, these machines help protect the planet while still driving economic growth. Looking ahead, machines will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the future of work. As technology evolves, we can expect even greater integration of artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation across various sectors. With the right balance of human creativity and machine efficiency, the future of work looks bright, full of opportunities for growth and innovation. The integration of machines into work processes has evolved from simple tools to highly advanced technologies such as robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. These machines not only perform tasks but also analyze data, provide insights, and automate complex processes. As a result, human labor is complemented by machines, allowing workers to focus on more strategic, creative, and problem-solving tasks. In industries like retail, hospitality, and customer service, machines are transforming traditional business models. Self-checkout systems, automated ordering kiosks, and AI-driven customer support are some of the key technologies reshaping the service sector. These machines handle routine customer interactions, allowing businesses to serve more customers efficiently, reduce wait times, and eliminate human errors. Moreover, AI chatbots can resolve customer queries instantly, providing round-the-clock assistance without the need for human intervention. The construction industry has greatly benefited from the advancement of machinery, which has streamlined both the physical building processes and project management. Machines such as automated cranes, bulldozers, and excavators allow for faster, safer, and more precise construction. These machines can lift heavy materials, dig, or lay foundations with little human effort. Additionally, 3D printing is emerging in construction, allowing architects and builders to create complex structures more efficiently and affordably, with minimal material waste. The concept of Industry 4.0 is centered around the use of machines connected to the Internet of Things, IoT, enabling real-time data collection and automation.